Oh, 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 Carolina, Carolina. You got that type of feeling that can do some things to a man's heart. You my heart. Oh, 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 Carolina, Carolina.
What up, Titan gang? I'm back here barbecuing. Go ahead and show y'all real quick. Got that thing on the grill. See that? Shit. YouTubing at the same damn time. Gotta go ahead and wash my car real quick. Go ahead and give y'all this unboxing of new accessories that came with the Dodge Charger and updates on everything else. You dig? So I get right back with you as soon as I flip this goddamn meat over. We in the front yard now. Look who we got. About to wash the car. Nah, I'm just playing. Oh, look who else coming outside. Zai just now woke up. Drawing.
I'm about to post a video. Make sure to go to my channel, D-Boy Gaming.
Yeah, go ahead and give it over to Zai real quick.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, yes.
Daddy.
Huh? Yeah.
Stop.
Sheesh. Almost finished watching this car, Titan gang. Finished getting back to this gun grill real quick. Got to multitask like a mug. Took the hamburger and sausage, y'all. This was left. Got them pork ribs. What the hell? I can't stand pork. Ugh. God no. Shit is real. So yeah, Titan gang, with that being said, shit, I'm gonna go ahead and get the chicken out the grill. Oh yeah, the update on the Charger. So I already got the window louvers in and all that. I'm go ahead and order. Well, it's already ordered. I'm sorry, my lift kit and stuff. The hood, I gotta order that also, but the hood scoop and all that, upgrade that. So that's coming on the way. And I got some real good news, y'all. Real good news. A major investment. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and keep that on the hush for a little minute. Know what I mean? Cause yeah, just a lot of stuff coming, man. I'm just like real excited. I can't like spill the beans on like certain things. I try not to talk about certain things, but hey, it is what it is. Know what I mean? But shit, we gonna go ahead and elevate. We gonna rise to the top. Know what I mean? That's what we do. We elevate. Know what I mean? Ain't no holding us back. Know what I mean? Stay away from people who trying to hold you back. Only be around people and stuff, whatever, that's trying to elevate you and stuff. Be around people that's trying to tell you good things to do in life and stuff. You know what I mean? And not wrong. Because at the end of the day, you are going to be you. You know what I mean? You are your own person. You got to set your own goals. You got to set your own rules. You know what I mean? And you also got to make sure that you take care of your family first. You dig? You know what I mean? It's a struggle. It's gonna be hard. You know what I mean? But I see already that a lot of people is like elevating now. You know what I mean? Doing good for themselves. So I mean, I hope I can be some motivation and stuff for people, because it's a whole lot of things coming to the channel. A whole lot of things that I'm doing, me and my family and all that. Take trips here and there. We don't do it every weekend and stuff. You know what I mean? But hey, should we have fun? We make sure we do what we do. My fiance, she a hard worker. You know what I mean? I'm a hard worker. We just trying to get stuff that we need and try to like do better than our parents. Do better than our aunts and uncles and all that. You know what I mean? Just trying to do better. Because we the next generation. And we got a generation after us that's coming, and a generation after that that's coming. So we got to kind of like set a foundation for where you want to be at in life. You know what I mean? And leave something behind for your kids. You dig? So yeah, with that being said, anyway, So I decided what color I'm gonna go ahead and paint certain parts of my Mustang. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and keep it white, but I'm gonna probably go ahead and paint over it. But, you know. And yeah, a whole lot of good things coming. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this unboxing of this stuff, of what I had ordered. And I still got more stuff on the way. It's just a hold up, big hold up. You know what I mean? Because, you know, it's like everybody ain't returned to work yet from this little epidemic thing that went on. And, you know, companies are struggling right now with certain things, raw materials and all that stuff. So, I mean, hey, it is what it is. God darn, look at this darn meat. Sheesh. That stuff look good, yeah? Most definitely. Next time I think I'm gonna go ahead and use some, what's that joint? That, barbecue mustard. It's like a honey mustard type joint. What not I'm gonna use. This joint is hit. Nice and tender. You know what I mean? Still got them oink ribs up there. Ugh. Major oink. Juices ain't flowing to my meat and nothing like that. As you know. Got that good stuff. That good aluminum foil. So yeah. It is what it is with that. Yeah, huh? For all y'all pork lovers. Like that. Nice oink. Yes. The oink. Hey, it is what it is. Alright. So I got these 2 packages in. This right here. Can't remember what that was. Can't remember what this is either. Titan gang. And we gonna make it do what it do. Dig. Go ahead and show y'all real quick. Grab me for one second. Throw that in there. Yeah, mosquitoes, boy. Like vampires. Alright. Gonna turn this camera around. Alright, shit, we set up good. Go ahead and show y'all this unboxing real quick. See what this is. You know what I mean? Can't remember what the heck it is, but it's something that I need. Big. Manufacturer. Oh, alright. So this right here is my antenna. My John. For my yeah, what the heck my thing with that? Something fell down there. Anyway, this is my antenna and stuff and whatnot to go ahead and replace the old antenna. I'm gonna show y'all where that go at just in case some of y'all don't know. You know what I mean? Part with it. What you know. Fell down there in the seat. I gotta get that joint later on. Anyway. Alright, so you see what this is. It's kind of hot in here. Go ahead and roll down this window. Yep, still sounding good, y'all. You know what I mean? Still sounding good. Gotta let that bad boy breathe a little bit. Got the gas tank on full and everything. Yep. Put the air on about that. Feel me? It's kind of cool. Anyway. Oh, alright. So this is my padding. This is my padding right here. For the seat, hopefully the joint will fit. We about to find out right now. Well, I'll wait till after I finish unpackaging all the stuff. Then I'll go ahead and show y'all. We good. Alright, let's see what this is. Came from CK Formula. Follow us on Instagram at CK Formula. Feel me? That's the joint right there, just in case. CK Formula. This is alright. This is for my lights, my interior lights and stuff. You know what I mean? They're going to the dashboard and all that. You know, show y'all where that go at. If I go ahead and unbox the rest of this stuff. So, yeah. CK Formula. Shout outs to them. You know what I mean? Alright, let me see what this is now. If I'm not mistaken, I probably already know what it is. If that don't work, I'm sending it back. Because it's supposed to be compatible with my stick shift, not stick shift, but compatible with my automatic, my shift gear. You know what I mean? I use my key. I don't know where the heck I put my box cutter at. You dig? Of course, yeah, I'm in the car. For all those who know or don't know. A lot of stuff is coming together, y'all. Alright, yep. Here it go. Uh-oh. My illuminated shifter. What the heck is it doing on? It must be already charged and stuff or whatnot. Yeah. It's supposed to replace my stick shift. It's illuminating. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Alright, so yeah, this right here is supposed to be placing this. Looks like it's gonna be a good fit. You know, okay. Okay. Definitely gonna be a good fit. Oh, when you shake it and stuff, whatever, that's when it turn on. Alright, that's dope. We get a little charger port right here. You know what I mean? Okay. So I like order most of this on I think I ordered this joint on was it Amazon? Might have been Amazon and eBay. Yeah, it was Amazon. That's what I'm scheming out of. That's where I ordered it at. Yeah. It already come with the charger port and all that stuff just in case, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'm gonna go ahead and get it replaced and stuff, whatever. Take it off. You know what I mean? Stuff together. Oh yeah, and this right here, I'm gonna show y'all what this going on. Alright, it should be good. Alright, go ahead and show y'all what this going real quick. Of course, this match with the interior and all that stuff. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Let's see if this right here fit. It don't look like it fit either. I mean, definitely don't look like it fits. It's supposed to be like the armrest thing right here or whatnot, but it's too damn small. Yeah, way too damn small. Probably use it for a damn visor or something like that. Besides that, nah, it's way too small. So this definitely getting sent back. Cause it ain't what I expected. Titan gang, definitely not what I expected. So yeah, send this joint back. Gonna be nothing that's in the back. So that shit whack as hell. Anyway, I do this gas shifter thing myself and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Show y'all where this goes at, and this right here. My lights. Show you where this go at also. I mean, it's gonna be pretty dope. I just gotta scan this barcode and stuff whatever for the color changing codes. So know how that is. Alright, let me go ahead and switch. Alright. So basically, these right here are gonna go under here. You know what I mean? So the joint can shine down and stuff or whatnot. You know, like right down here. Not mistaken. So they have a different color changing. Yeah, so they different color changing LED lights for the inside. I want them to illuminate a certain color. That's gonna be the theme of my car. Some people probably got an idea who it is, some people don't. You know, I mean, it is what it is at this point. You dig? So that being said, mainly working on the outside of my car, but you know, it's like little things that I see and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just order it, so the inside will be straight. For the certain things that I'm ordering for the inside, you feel me? Cause I be running across certain things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where the shark fin go at. If your shark fin is messed up, or you want to replace your old antenna, you go on YouTube. Not YouTube. Well, you can go on YouTube to learn how to fix it, or you can go on Amazon and get it ordered. All right, so this right here is a replacement. You see how this one like kind of messed up? Replacing it with this. You dig? I got it on. Or is it that way? Okay. Nope. Yeah. I think it's that way, y'all. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this painted too, so you know, it is what it is at this point. So yeah. So yeah, guys, she all washed up, you know, looking beautiful as ever, clean. You know what I mean? Major upgrades coming soon. Major upgrades. Of course, y'all know I got the GT Momentum air intake in there now. Increased the horsepower. 18 plus. Yeah, ooh, that thing's sparkling, boy. Let's wait till what else I'm gonna get. Go ahead and get them pipes on there. Watch. In the last video I said black cat, but it's cat black pipes. So yeah, everything is getting replaced. New headlights getting, but anyway, new headlights getting replaced, everything. That's also on the way. I mean, go ahead and show you the unboxing of those. So I got the halo lights and stuff already, so I just had to order new headlights because these right here looking dull. And they looking lame as hell right now. Know what I mean? I hear you in there. My little daughter to my dad. I love that little girl. But anyway. Oh yeah, we also got the door handles coming in. For each doors. That's my favorite thing right there. My thing. But anyway. And of course they beef sausages, y'all, because I don't eat pork. So anyway, with that being said, I thank y'all for tuning in. You know what I mean? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share with your peoples. You know what I mean? Because we going up. Elevation is everything. You know what I mean? Elevation is definitely everything. So yeah, everything coming together. Next video, I should have my headlights in. Go ahead and show y'all those new halo headlight. And yeah, shit, we lit. See y'all later, Titan gang. What, y'all thought the video was over? Oh, y'all pork lovers. Porky. Look at them ribs. Porky, porky. Whoa.